Hi guys, today we're going to do a room tour of room 5462. It is a Cove balcony. It sleeps 4 people. That's coming up right after this. So when you first walk into the room, you have the closets on the left, which the shelves will drop down so that you can have more storage space, or you can leave it up so that there is, turn the light off. You can drop the shelf down or leave it up. Show it one more time. The safe is there. Pull out drawers. Then the next closet, more hanging clothes space. They usually have a comforter under the bottom. Then in here, bathroom, shower, soap, two shelves, mirror, toilet. The toilet is very loud, so don't get surprised when it goes off. Then they have the standard bed that can be a queen or 2 twins, the couch that flips into a bed, and the upper Pullman that pulls down into a bed. Then you have the 2 shelves and a mirror. Then the door opens up to the Cove balcony. And that is the room tour. Stay tuned for more.